Let me ask you about this phony case, and it is a phony case. It was put to rest, and then somebody burped life back into it again. You've got a man that was working on this case, a guy by the name of, Pomerantz?
Pomerantz,
he's in the private sector. They bring him into the case. I was shocked when he wrote this book before this case is even formally concluded, talking about his case, talking about discussions, trashing Donald Trump. He took the case because he hates Donald Trump. Let me ask you this. Doesn't it raise serious ethical questions when a man goes into a prosecutor's office, gets paid nothing or next to nothing, for the purpose of trying to take down somebody? Isn't that a question of attorney ethics?
Oh, it goes well beyond attorney ethics, Mark. I mean, first of all, he's committed a crime, in my opinion, because he signed a document saying that he understands that it's in violation of the New York State penal law to take any information he's gathered while a special prosecutor, appointed prosecutor, from the grand jury investigation and reveal it to a third party. Not only did he reveal it to a third party, he revealed it to millions of parties. He wrote a book with that information he gathered while in that position. That's not only an ethical violation, it's a criminal violation. But if you read that book, which I really question his mental stability in writing it, because some of the things in there are really pearls for Donald Trump and his supporters. This guy said not only did he leave Paul Weiss, which is a Clinton-affiliated law firm, there's no question about that, left that firm to go to prosecute Donald Trump in the Manhattan District Attorney's Office. He didn't get paid for it, but he told his wife, according to his book, he would have paid to prosecute Donald Trump. That's a scary statement right there when you think about it, Mark, because that is exactly what the system is not supposed to be about. What it's also not supposed to be about is taking the person and trying to find a crime that fits that person. We don't do that. What we're supposed to do is when a crime is unearthed or brought to the attention of a prosecutor or law enforcement, they look for the person responsible. And if it falls on anyone, then you pursue that. But you don't say, I hate this person, I would pay to prosecute this person, I don't like his politics, I don't like his manners, I'm going to go after, I'm going to find something. So what they did for 3 years, Mark, is scour Donald Trump's personal and private life. But I mean, his business records, his professional life, anything they could find. They came up with nothing to bring a case, which caused Pomerantz to steam off in a huff and resign and go write a book instead of being an ethical attorney. But it's also now putting pressure on Alan Bragg, I believe, by his supporters, the people who funded his campaign and others, to say we have to bring something against this guy. So they resurrected this case, the zombie case, as Pomerantz called it, from the dead, the Stormy Daniels case. There's no crime here. The only potential crime here, Mark, is that Donald Trump was an extortion victim. When someone says, give me money or I'm going to tell a nasty story about you, true or not, that's absolutely irrelevant to that equation. True or not, I'm going to tell a story to the press. I'm going to embarrass you, your family, unless you give me money. That's extortion 101. How she's not being looked at as someone who is a bad actor is beyond me. But yet Donald Trump, the victim of extortion, for the first time in this country's history, in the most novel, untested legal theory of prosecution, is being subject to a grand jury investigation. Mark, it makes no sense on the law. It makes no sense on the facts.